How to create a share folder on Windows computer and connect to your phone via My Files network drive on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now first, on Windows computer, what you want to do is on the keyboard here, press on the Windows key, then type in Control Panel. So you want to click on Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on Network and Internet. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. On the left hand side, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. And then in here, you want to click on, so go to Private Networks and then click on File and Printer Sharing. Click on the toggle button here to turn it on. So we have now turned on file sharing on your computer, on the Windows computer. It can be Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, we close all the windows. Now go to the location where you want to create a folder. For ease of demonstration, I'm going to use my desktop. So I will create a new folder on my desktop. So I'll click on New folder, and then we give it a name. So here I'll call it IT Jungle's Pictures. And that's the folder right there. Then right click on the folder and then click on Properties. Next we click on the Sharing tab. So click on Sharing, then click on Share, and make sure that the username is in here that you're wanting to share. You can choose everyone if you want to share with everyone, or just the local admin, or a username. So choose a user that you want to be able to grant access to. So here I've got local admin. So I'll leave it as the default. And then we go down and click on Advanced Sharing. And then click on Share this folder and give it a share name. Share name is what you will see on your Samsung Galaxy device. And here, so we're just going to give it a name. And then click on Permission. In here, you can choose a permission, everyone. And if you provide full control, they will be able to read and write to the share folder. Now click on Apply, then click on OK. And then click on OK. And then click on Close. Okay, so now we have set up the folder on the Windows computer. Okay, back to the Galaxy S24. Go back to your home screen, then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the Samsung folder, then tap on My Files. In My Files, go back to the home page by tapping the home icon. So make sure you're back here. Then we scroll down. In the storage section, tap on Network Storage, then tap on Add Network Storage. Then we go down and select Network Drive. Now the phone will attempt to automatically discover the computer name and a share folder. If it does not show, you need to add it manually. Now in this case, it shows my computer, so I can tap on it. In here, I need to put in the username. So here, I have previously saved the username, local admin. So you can put in the local admin as your username. So whatever the username that you use on your computer, just put it in here, username and password. And then the display name, you can change the display name, or you can just leave it as the default. And then tap on Add. Okay, once you have added, all the share folders on your device will be shown in the list here. So here I can go into IT Jungle's Pictures. At the moment, I do not have anything in here, but I can copy some files in. So if I go back to my home screen and then go into say Images, I can select a few photos. So here I can select 4 pictures. Then I'll tap on Move or Copy. I'll choose Copy, and I go back to my home screen here. Now I go down to my network storage, and then to my share folder. I go into IT Jungle's Pictures. In here, I can choose Copy here. Okay, so if I choose Copy here, you can see on the folder on my desktop, it will automatically copy the files over. and it will slowly copy the files over to my Windows computer. So 2 files already has been transferred over, so I can open it right here and I can view the files. I can also transfer files from here to my device. So if I want, I can copy the folder files from the folder back to my Galaxy device. And that's it. So that is how you can create and share folders on Windows computer and then connect it to your Samsung Galaxy S24 via My Files network drive. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.